Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your iPhone software and which screen you want to change because different images fit differently. Open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper. This puts the controls and previews in one place. If your iOS is outdated, update first to avoid missing features. Once in Wallpaper, choose Add New Wallpaper or tap the current one to edit. Make sure to pick between Dynamic, Stills, or Live so the phone can display it correctly. Now select the image source and pick the photo you want. Live photos animate on the lock screen while stills stay static, so choose based on motion preference. Use pinch to zoom and drag gestures to frame the subject. Enable perspective zoom to add subtle parallax, but disable it if it distorts critical content. Once framed, tap Set, and the interface will ask whether to apply to lock screen, home screen, or both. Make that choice deliberately to keep icons readable and widgets visible. Finish by confirming the wallpaper appears correctly. Lock the phone and wake it to check the lock screen, then view the home screen to verify icon contrast. If the live photo fails to animate, make sure Reduce Motion is off in Accessibility. That setting suppresses parallax and live effects. If the image looks blurry or auto-cropped oddly, re-edit with less zoom or pick a higher resolution photo. Images under native display size will be upscaled and may lose clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.